Hello everyone, this is our next question. The incorrect statement about interstitial compounds is options are A. They are chemically reactive, B. They are very hard, C. They retain metallic conductivity, and D. They have melting point. So, what are interstitial uh, compounds? The compounds in which the metal crystal lattice has small amount trapped within it is known as interstitial compound. The transition metals with high atomic number and large atomic size have voids present in its crystal structure which are often occupied by the small atoms like H, N, C and B atoms, hence form the interstitial compound. The presence of these small atoms in their interstitial sites make the compounds non-stoichiometric, as its definite proportion cannot be determined in the form of a well-defined number, also making it chemically inert, thus having no effect on its chemical properties of the transition parent metal and retain its conductivity and reactivity. So with this we can say that it does enhance the physical properties of the compound such as its density, hardness, malleability and ductility. Also due to bonding between the interstitial atoms and the transition metals, it increases its melting and boiling point compared to parent metal. Therefore, incorrect statement is option A. Interstitial compounds are chemically reactive. Basically, interstitial compounds are never chemically reactive. They are just retain their metallic conductivity. They have they are very hard and they are having a high melting point.